In this example, we're going to see how we can add and subtract fractions. In this example, we have 5 over 8 minus 1 over 2 plus 3 over 4. We observe that there is no multiplication and no division, only addition and subtraction. And we can work from left to right, but we first have to change all the denominators to the common denominator. If you can see that the common denominator is 8, you can go and change that straight away. But if you don't know, then you will have to do the division method to find the LCM, the lowest common multiple between 8, 2, and 4. So if I write out this like this, 8, 2, and 4 in a line, I can do this division by the lowest common factor, which is 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4, 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So again, we're going to divide by 2. We continue the process until we reduce all the numbers to 1, like this. So our LCM is lowest common multiple 2 times 2 times 2, which is equals to 8. Then we come here and we put this equal sign here, and we put the 5 over 8. We copy this back because the denominator is already in 8. We don't have to do anything to this fraction. We copy back the minus sign again, and this 1 over 2, I need to change the denominator 2 to 4. So I multiply 2 with 4 on the denominator, and in so doing, I need to multiply the numerator with 4. The same, right? So it becomes 4 over 8. Copy back the plus sign, and then 3 over 4, I need to change my 4 to 8 by multiplying with 2. Then on the numerator side, I also need to multiply with 2. This 3/4 becomes 6 over 8. Now the denominators are all common, the same, and we can start to work from left to right. By this, I mean 5 minus 4 first. Take 5 minus 4, which is 1 over 8, and then plus 6 over 8. This will give us 7 over 8, which is the answer. Now we're going to do another example. It's going to be a division example. Now let me go to the new page. And the example is 4 over 9 divided by 4 divided by 3 over 5. Right? So we observe that there is no addition and no subtraction. There is only a divide sign in this question. We work from left to right, and we do not need to change the denominators to become the same. For division and multiplication, we don't have to do that. This is equals to 4 over 9. I change the divide sign to times, and then I invert 4. 4 is a whole number. It is equals to 4 divided by 1. When I invert 4 divided by 1, it becomes 1 divided by 4. And I change this division sign to multiplication again, and instead of 3 over 5, I invert this to become 5 over 3. Now I can proceed to work from left to right. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. So I have 20 over the numerator, and my denominator is 9 times 4, which is 36, and 36 times 3 is 108. Then I proceed to reduce this fraction to its lowest term by dividing the numerator by 4, giving us 5. And then I have to divide the denominator also by 4, giving us 27. So the answer is 5 over 27. You can of course start reducing from this stage here. If you want to, you can cancel off the 4 and the 4 here, the 4 on top and the 4 at the bottom. But I chose to multiply the numbers first, and then I reduce the fraction to 5/7. Then our next example is a combination of division and multiplication. 14 divided by 7 times 2/7. Again, we observe we only have divide and times. We don't have plus and minus, so that we don't have to change our denominator into the common denominator. And we work from left to right. Put my equal sign here. 14 divided by 7 is equals to 2, right? And then I copy back the multiplication sign, 2/7. And this is equals to 4/7, because it's 2 times 2, and then divide by 7, and this is my answer. I have come across some students who don't really know how to get from this this line here to the next line. So I think I might do some more explanation here. And this is 2, you see the 2 here, the main 2 here. This is actually the same as 2 divided by 1. Yeah, this is the same as 2 divided by 1. And then I copy back my multiplication sign, 2 divided by 7, right? Times 2 divided by 7. And this is equals to the numerator times the numerator, top and top. So it's 4/7, and that is the answer. So this might be clearer to some people. This is the end of presentation for this part.